Hi, I'm going to share with you an idea for the holidays on how to create some high drama using a tall cylinder. So let's get started. First, you get some sort of tall cylinder. It's just clear glass, no shape to it. Now we're going to add the first thing. So you can probably see where this is going. So I bought these the other day at my local craft store. It's 50 balls, and they're in this plastic cylinder that doesn't have a label on it. The label's on the top. So I thought, well gosh, it's put in here so nice and neat, why even take it out? So we're just gonna pop it in, and now I have a decorated cylinder. So what can I do next? I think let's add some flowers. Let's talk a little bit about the flowers I used in here. So I used just a few flowers. I used a gold dipped seeded eucalyptus. This greenery, it consists of two kinds of greenery. One is the fall viburnum, and the other is ruscus, Holland ruscus, to fill in any blank spots. And then my feature flower is a brown lisianthus, which is really only available this time of year. And it actually is more of a rosy color, like a mauve. And I think it goes perfectly with, it picks up the colors in the Christmas ornaments perfectly. So this is a very simple, just basic design, but it'll have a lot of impact for your guests. Again, the steps are pretty easy. We just added the flowers on top. And so what I did is I created a floral design that had height and width, so it looked great with this tall cylinder. It's sitting in a flat design tray, and it's in floral foam, so it should last 3 or 4 days. It'll look great, maybe even 5 days. Keep giving it water, and it should look great for an entryway, or it can also be used for a large table display. So I hope you enjoyed this little tip for a holiday theme featuring rose gold, silver, and gold.